First, let's make sure you have everything you need installed. Get the ARM Mobile Studio package from the ARM developer website. You'll need to log in with an ARM account to access the download. Streamline uses Android Debug Bridge to capture data from your device, so you'll need to have this installed. It's available with the Android SDK platform tools, so if you're using Android Studio, you may already have it. If not, refer to the Android documentation for help with this. We'll be using a Python script to help Streamline communicate with your device, so ensure you have Python 3.5 installed. To make things easier, edit your path environment variable to add the paths to the Python 3 directory and the Android SDK platform tools directory. This is so that you can run Python and ADB commands from any directory. To ensure compatibility, check that your device is supported by ARM Mobile Studio. Other devices may work fine, but the ones we've tested are listed here. Ensure that the app you want to profile is marked as debuggable in the Android application manifest. Build your app and install it on your device. Lastly, you'll need to put your device into developer mode and enable USB debugging. Connect your device to your host machine through USB. To test the connection, run the adb devices command, which should return the ID of your device. Next, navigate to the Streamline installation directory and go to the directory called Gator. Here, you will find a script that makes connecting to your device easy. We specify the path to the daemon that Streamline should install on your device. For 64-bit devices, use the version in the ARM64 directory. For 32-bit devices, use the version in the ARM directory. The script identifies the device and returns a list of the debuggable packages on it. Type in the number of the package you want to analyze. The script returns the next steps you should take in Streamline. We'll need to come back here after we've captured the profile to terminate the script. This will kill all the processes that were started and remove the daemon from your device. Open Streamline and you'll see your connected device in the Start tab. Select the device, then select Configure Counters. Here's where we specify what data to collect from the device as your application runs. You can create your own configurations from scratch, but this can seem quite overwhelming at first, as there are hundreds of counters to choose from. Instead, let's use a template to select a range of counters for our profile. Select the appropriate template for the GPU in your device. Now we can start the capture. Specify the name and location of the capture file that Streamline will create when the capture completes. Now start the app on your device. The charts show the hardware counter activity being captured from your running application. When you've collected enough data, stop the capture. Choose the Switch and Manage Templates button and select the same counter template that you chose to create the capture. Switch back to the terminal running the script and press Enter to terminate it. This is important. The script kills all processes that it started and removes the daemon from your device. For more videos in this series, and for more information about ARM Mobile Studio, visit the ARM developer website.